welcome to the Curly Chemistry video. I'm so glad you are here. Today we are talking about glycolic acid and how you can use it to reduce dry, itchy, flaky scalp and also to support hair growth. Okay, you guys know I'm wasting no time. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, when it comes to glycolic acid, it is an alpha hydroxy acid. It's actually one of the smallest when it comes to like the molecular size of it, and it's also a humectant. So when I think about glycolic acid, I think about a product, an ingredient that helps to exfoliate and also moisturize. Now, glycolic acid is very popular in the skincare world, but as of recently, it has been more so in the hair care space as well. A very popular product is the ordinary glycolic acid 7% liquid exfoliant up here. And if you have a dry, itchy, flaky scalp, or if you're dealing with a lot of product buildup or even dandruff, this product actually may be a great solution for you. And I want to explain why. And basically, when you apply it directly to your scalp and begin to massage it gently, it helps to break up old dead skin cells, and it actually helps to loosen any type of product layer or buildup on the scalp. So it's great for giving your scalp a fresh start. And we love that. And of course, the second great benefit of glycolic acid is that it is a humectant, as I mentioned earlier. So it's going to bring extra hydration into the scalp, especially if your scalp is dry. Then the last thing I want to point out really quick about glycolic acid, which may be my favorite thing, is that it actually is acidic. It brings the pH of the scalp down. And that is going to be key for those who deal with dandruff, because dandruff is caused by a yeast called Malassezia, and it does not like acidic environment. So when you start using glycolic acid directly on your scalp, you are bringing the pH of your scalp down, which then helps to support a healthy scalp microbiome or a healthy scalp environment, which then will reduce dandruff because of that yeast going away, or at least decreasing significantly. So that in itself, I think, makes glycolic acid a great reason to add to your scalp care, hair care routine for sure. Once again, it's going to exfoliate dead skin cells, product buildup, unclog the follicles within your scalp, which will then help support hair growth. It's also going to be hydrating because of the humectancy of glycolic acid, and of course going to bring your scalp to a more healthy pH environment to support healthy hair care, healthy scalp, and of course healthy hair growth. All that being said, I seriously think glycolic acid is a great addition to anyone's scalp care routine, even for mine. Like, I don't suffer from dry, itchy scalp or dandruff, but I'm still going to incorporate it as a preventative method, and of course to keep my scalp microbiome in check. Once again, the one I recommend is the ordinary 7%. This one up here, you can find it in my Amazon storefront. The link will be below. And if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button as well for more Curly Chemistry content. And of course, I do have a question for you. Have you tried glycolic acid before? And if you have tried it on your scalp, what was your experience? What were your results? And if you have not tried it, would you be open to trying it after seeing this video? So let me know, comment below, and I can't wait to see your responses. And of course, for all things Curly Chemistry, to learn more about your hair, ingredients, the science behind your hair, check out the Curly Chemistry ebooks. I will post the link below for you. And of course, the Hydrating Herbal Hair Tea Rinse for supporting hair growth, healthy hair growth consistently, softer hair, hydrated hair. I'll post that link below for you as well. And of course, for one-on-one hair care coaching or to start your own hair care line, I would love to connect with you. I'll post all those links below as well in the description box. All right, guys, I love you so much. I'll talk to you guys soon.